Okay, today we're making pineapple chicken. We're going to fry some onions. I cut them up small and then I washed them off. Got my chicken in the Instant Pot. I cooked them for 35 minutes from frozen. And I cooked my peppers in there with it. And put one cup full of chicken broth in there. Okay, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 red bell pepper, cubed, 1 bunch of scallions, trimmed and sliced, 1 can of pineapple juice, drained and reserved, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, let's get our soy sauce in here. We need 3 tablespoons. Now we only had chicken legs and thighs, and then 1 breast is all we had. So that's what we cooked in the Instant Pot for 35 minutes from frozen. And we cooked the bell peppers in there too, and then 1 cup of chicken broth in there with it. There's our chicken out of the Instant Pot. In the same thing, we dumped out the water. And now we're going to cook our rice. We're going to cook 1 cup of rice. Got a big old hair on my jug. Hold on a minute. I got to rinse my rice off, and then I'll be back. Okay, rinse my cup of rice off for 7 times. And wait till the water turn clear. And now we're going to put 1 cup of chicken broth in here. Okay, now we're going to put 1.5 cups. We already put 1 cup in there. We're going to put another 1/2 cup of water. Now we're going to use the rice setting for 12 minutes. We put it on sealing. Okay, in 12 minutes it'll be done. We're adding uh chunks of pineapples to our skillet. Okay, let me do the rest of this and I'll be right back with you. Our rice is done, so we'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of paprika, or half a teaspoon, either one, whatever you desire to put in it. Okay, we're still cooking our pineapples. Now we're fixing to add our chicken that's already cooked. This comes together quick after you get all the components cooked. Now we got our peppers in here too. They're green and yellow. We didn't have red. We didn't have scallions, so we put onions. We drained our pineapple juice. We took our chicken off the bone because we didn't have chicken breast. We only had one, and I cooked 4 pieces of chicken legs. So we took them off the bone, and we're fixing to add it to this. Now I can't eat the rice, so I'm not going to be eating the rice. That's why I made it separate. Okay, let's add some pepper. Some salt. We cooked this in olive oil. Now, if you have a wok, you can use a wok to do all this too. Okay, let's add our chicken. Okay, let's add some half a cup of the pineapple juice in here. Let it come to a boil and then turn it down on simmer for 5 minutes. I'm going to taste a bite of this. The poached pineapple, piece of chicken. Mmm, pretty good. Mm-hmm. That is good. Okay, let's add a little bit more salt to it since it's done. A little bit more pepper. And you can pour all your juice in here if you want to. All your pineapple juice. You cook it in here too if you want to. I just used a half a cup. You need to make this. That is good. Now, if you don't want to cook it in the Instant Pot, you can do it. Fry your chicken without the skin, just tender, and then do it like this. Shred it up and add your pineapples and your onions, your paprika, and your green peppers, and that'd be good. And your soy sauce, don't forget your soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're going to serve it up. And we're going to get done for the rest of the night. Here's the rice. This is how we're going to serve it. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you try this. Here's what the rice looks like. Here's what it looks like.